Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Kimmy. I am a independent consultant for Close to My Heart, and today I'm doing a scrapbook layout using the timber paper. So here I'm actually going to be using this one here, and I'm also using the Cricut collection as well. So I've already cut all of those out. Alright, so the layout that we're going to do, I found a similar one on Pinterest. Alright, so also on the Cricut, if you can see, I've also already drawn a circle, and we shall pop this together. Okay, so we've got the mountains are calling, and then this one I did up on my own using the Cricut, but I did base it on a picture my life card, this one here, and that's going to go down the bottom here. Now this layout that I'm creating, the photos that I'm going to be putting on there are ones for my son. He does scouts. Oh, and this one here, I don't know if you can see that, I sponged using a dauber. I sponged it over the white daisy to create that effect, so it just gives it a little bit of something different to look at, that's all. And I also did some sponging on that star there as well. Alright, so that's the basic layout, and then I'm going to have a photo there. I'm also using some wooden arrows as well. So that's essentially the layout. Now I'm going to stick it all down. Okay, that's all our outside pieces popped on. So now we'll do the inside bit. That's my layout using the timber Cricut collection and also some of the timber paper. I hope you enjoyed seeing it. Also, before I go, if you haven't already done so, I really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to add a little bit of sparkle to your day. Bye!